brought to you by Surfshark VPN. Hey folks, welcome to another day, another unboxing. These are the Samsung Galaxy Buds Plus. Yes, the new ones. And so I wanted to unbox them and walk you through some of the differences. As you can see, they look pretty much the same as the old one. They say Samsung Galaxy Buds. There's some stuff here. And then let's open them up, shall we? Dun, 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 dun. Here's a little insert inside the box, so we'll take that out. And now we've got a box here, and I'm going to pull out, and the actual buds right here. Exciting. So that's it for the box. There's really nothing else left in here. Let's have a quick look at this literature. I'm sure there's nothing too exciting here. Let's pull it out and see what happens. Here we go. Nothing else. We've got important legal information and a quick start guide, package contents, device layout, charging case, and charging. And then there's operations here in the back. You've got download app, connect, touchpad. Okay, so these are pretty much the same as last year's, okay? There is a few differences and I'll walk you through them in a second. Let's have a look at what's in this box here. There's a whole bunch of little silicone tips here and a cable, which I'll get out if I can. There we are. USB Type-C here to USB Type-A. As you can see, nothing too surprising. And then here is the loot of silicone tips. As you can see, I'm not going to take them out. They're pretty jammed in there. Some of these are little circular things, some of them little mushroom things. So that's different tips for different ears. But what's most important here are the buds themselves. Let's have a quick look. So they look identical to the previous generation, right? As you can see here, it says Samsung. There's a little notification light here. If I pop this open, the light lights up and tells me the charge level. I need to charge these. There's some writing here on the back, USB Type-C port and the hinge, and that's pretty much it. There's really not too much else. So when we open them, you can see the buds themselves are charged. There's just little labels here for left and right, so you know which are which. They have that cool pearlescent finish, just like last time. And yeah, they look pretty damn cool. Charging pins, mushrooms, etc. So what's different? Well, the big deal here this time is battery life. These have an incredible 11 hours of battery life, right? 11 hours on one charge for each of these versus 6 before. And you get another 11 hour in the case, so it's 22 hours total. Before, you only got 13 hours total with the case. They also charge faster. They have more microphones for better audio quality when taking calls. And it's a dual driver system now. There's a tweeter and woofer basically for the audio. So they should potentially sound better. All this for $149, just $30 more than the originals. So that's basically the Galaxy Buds Plus here. Not too much to tell you. They do support Spotify directly by tapping on various control surfaces. You need to install the app from Samsung on your phone. Bluetooth 5, that's it. The Galaxy Buds Plus. And now I'd like to take a minute to thank our sponsor, Surfshark VPN. Surfshark is a VPN service that makes online privacy protection easy and attainable. Surfshark encrypts all internet traffic sent to and from your devices and ensures that your IP address remains hidden to make sure nobody can see what you do online. On top of that, they block ads, trackers, malware, and phishing attempts. And unlike other VPN services, you can use it on as many devices as you'd like simultaneously. I use it when I travel to protect my privacy when I'm on open Wi-Fi hotspots. And say I want to access Netflix US when I'm in the UK. I can do that with Surfshark VPN. Another example is the other way around. Say that I'd like to see a UK show on Netflix, but I'm in the US. Well, Surfshark VPN lets me do that. So that's how I've used Surfshark VPN, both while traveling and when at home. And now I'd like to share the love. I want you to try out Surfshark for yourself with my exclusive limited time deal. click on the description below or go to surfshark.deals/mobiletechpodcast. That's surfshark.deals/mobiletechpodcast. Thanks to Surfshark VPN for sponsoring the show. Stay tuned for more videos. Hopefully you like this. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, comment below, click the little notification icon. And of course, remember that all the content I'm creating here on this channel is for my podcasts, mobiletechpodcast.com, or on Google Podcasts, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and Pocket Casts. So please subscribe there as well and check that out. Stay tuned for more videos, folks. And until then, cheers, everybody.